Hello everyone, I'm so glad to introduce Dr. Mayer to you. Here is his photo, and here is the photo we took with him in 2019 in Toronto AERA. And Shamila is interested in game-based learning, and Dr. Mayer did a great job in this area, and so Shamila was so excited to introduce us to Dr. Mayer. I said, oh, okay, he's a big role in this area. So that is my first time to know Dr. Mayer. Okay, so Dr. Mayer is 74 years old right now, and the same age with Trump, right? And he's PhD student in psychology from the University of Michigan, and he worked 2 years as a visiting assistant professor of psychology at IU, and then he just keep working in the UCSB for about 46 years. That's a long time. It's whole life, and I can't believe that. And his field is focused on psychology and education. So actually, just like educational psychology, and his most famous work focus on multimedia learning, problem solving, and game-based learning, and learning science, and some and instruction. And he is so productive. I'm so impressed by this. When I checked his Google Scholar, there is 910 publications listed there, and including more than 30 books. And I counted 2020, and he got 22 publications, and five of them he is the first author. I can't believe that. When I feel so hard in my paper, I think, okay, it's fine. I need to work harder. And he got many honors, like in 2000, the Thorndike Award, and the Distinguished Contribution of Application of Psychology to Education and Training Award, 2008. And he was ranked #1 as the most productive educational psychologist in the world from 1997 to 2001. But I think he kept his productive right now. It's so amazing. Amazing. His research interest, when you see this, you will think, okay, this is LDD, right? Learning science, instructional design, and technology. And especially in his area, his learning science is more about the multimedia learning, and his instructor design is more focused on the online learning environment, how to improve the online learning effective instructional design. So for technology, he covers the whole process of technology, from the computer-based learning, internet-based learning, and right now it's VR, AR. He got some publications on that area. So he just like grows with the technology, and just focus on learning and instructional design. So he is a big role in our area, I think. And this is his famous theory. It's a cognitive theory of multimedia learning. So when you see this whole information processing process, you will notice that it's so close connected to the cognitive theory, right? From the working memory to long-term memory, and how to give the learners words and pictures at the same time, or deeperly. It's just like to improve the learning results. So it's just like this one. And I got several books of He got a lot of publications and books, and here you can see just several of them to give you some example, like applying the science of learning and thinking, problem solving, cognition, and e-learning and the science of instruction. I think this one is the most important one for our area. And this one is the multimedia learning. It's third edition right now, and he is keeping working on that. So it's probably all I covered today, and I hope you can get more information in my handout. Thank you.